afternoon princess dances. Today we are filming Mary Poppins, a jolly holiday, and what I believe Mary Poppins would have done with Bert in the park, which is the Maxi, the perfect dance that was the up-and-coming dance of the 1910. So today we're going to learn a little bit about how to dance the predecessor to the samba, the Maxi, with Mary Poppins. Step number 1, according to Vernon Irene Castle, would be walking in closed position for 8 counts. It looks like this. Step number 3, Vernon Irene Castle described as a single, but it's a heel toe with a pulling action that we nowadays know as a corde jacque, and the signature move of our Maxi. It looks like this. They will repeat the two-step from the Victorian era, and then they will be prepared to do a gallopade step that's described as a single again, but is a gallopade for 8 counts, rotating to shadow position. It looks like this. Side together, side together, side together, side together, side together, side together, side. Next, they will repeat the heel pull action in shadow position. Heel pull, stomp, stomp. And it will look like this. Next, they will take 4 walks, turning to a skater's position, shadow, with the gentleman's left hands on top of the lady's arms, elbows held parallel to the floor. It will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the skater's position, they will dance the Victorian two-step in shadow. It looks like this. Last, they will do a 4-step, 4-count underarm turn to return to facing position to repeat the entire dance. And it looks like this. Mary Poppins' jolly holiday dress was strikingly similar to Bavarian Princess Mathilde's Victorian afternoon dress, linking Mary Poppins to a real princess.